You only need a few milliseconds to realize what a capacitor is. What just happened? A power tool capacitor released 99% of its energy within 50 milliseconds. When you hit brakes in an electric vehicle or a hybrid car, you turn kinetic energy into electrical one. What's fascinating about it? Hybrid capacitors that store the energy temporarily instead of turning it into heat. So, when you accelerate again, the capacitor in your car releases the stored energy and gives a boost to your motor. And it releases 99% of the energy stored from 2.5 to 25 seconds.
Is it a power sprint or a power marathon that I'm looking at? In systems like FANUC's robotic arms and controllers, components such as hybrid capacitors are often used in similar industrial applications. For what? For their reliability and low ESR, particularly in power supply and motor control circuits. To face what? Quick high-power movements, sudden acceleration, sudden braking or stopping. Given the demands of robotic systems, hybrid capacitors present an ideal solution for enhanced thermal and electrical performances and will play a role in future optimizations. How? You hit the go command. Capacitor kicks in within 10 to 30 milliseconds and delivers full support within 100 to 300 milliseconds. And that is what I call an ultra sprint.
Hybrid capacitors combine the best of both worlds, the high endurance of polymer capacitors and the high capacitance of electrolytic ones. The result? Well, greater reliability, longer lifespan and better power handling. And that is exactly what today's tech demands, especially in automotive and industrial applications where high and reliable performance is the key. In these areas, large and stable capacitance and the capability to withstand challenging requirements such as high ripple current and high ambient temperatures are no longer an option. They become a standard in forward-thinking industries. Why Panasonic? Panasonic, as a leading manufacturer of hybrid capacitors, constantly develops and improves hybrid capacitors to meet the increasingly demanding markets. Industries need smaller, more powerful and more efficient devices. Cars, data centers and industrial machines are working with even higher ripple currents and temperatures, so capacitors must keep up. It means the world relies on Panasonic to deliver these high-performing quality products to overcome the challenging requirements of the market. Well, you want it simpler, so maybe in simple boards. Less resistance equals less heat, which equals longer lifespan altogether. If safety and reliability is important for you, choose Panasonic. As technology advances, components must be able to consistently store power in less space while lasting longer. Panasonic's capacitors offer higher capacitance in smaller sizes, more energy stored while maintaining its high endurance and reliability. So, it is a mix of market demand and natural technological progress driving Panasonic's improvements. In short, Panasonic's hybrid capacitors can handle challenging temperatures with stable performances, support miniaturization efforts, and withstand high ripple currents with little internal heating. And that is exactly where Panasonic leads and others just follow. Why capacitance? Because no matter the environment, a circuit might glitch, overheat or fail. Whether you are in electronics, automotive, industrial automation or AI, choosing the right capacitor is critical because your first need is performance. Remember, capacitance isn't just a number. It is reliability, it is durability, it is Panasonic.